So this is a very quick snappy tutorial on how to do this. If you know this move, perfect to move on from, and it's going to involve you being able to do some very cool redirects. So instead of having your power receiving up, you want it pointing back like this. Next of all, we're going to grab this hand, open a hand, basically like this. I can show you. So hands open, I go like this. From there, I'm going to be bringing this over to here. I'm going to be going down. So watch from the side, I'll show you a little bit closer. I'm going to be bringing it down, show you from this side down, and then I'll show you from this side. And what you're going to do is you're going to push your hand out, and you're going to be able to catch it like this. From there, we're going to straighten both of the nunchucks out, and should be in a reverse grip. Next of all, we're going to have our hand with this kind of grip here, so with our two fingers, our thumb and our pointer finger. Then we're going to be bringing this down. We're going to pull this forward, and you're going to end here, slide down the chuck, collapse, and basically like a samurai sword, wipe the blood off like this. And that is basically how to do the move. So I hope this helps you out and evolves your style. Pow!